showing you how to make a Dollar Tree lamppost. You will need 4 5x7 picture frames, 2 4x6 of the same color, 2 chalkboards of the little ones, 2 rolling pins from the baking aisle. If not, you can use plunger sticks. I couldn't find the rolling pins, so I just had to improvise and use the plunger sticks. They work the same. To start the project, you're gonna take out everything from the inside of the picture frames. For this next part, you're gonna start assembling the lantern. So just line up all of the sides. And then with the hot glue gun, you're just gonna glue them together, making the lantern box. Now that we've done the lantern part, it's time to do the bottom. Now we take the chalkboard, and I've noticed it was a little too small. So I took the backing of one of the picture frames, the bigger picture frames, and took the tabs off of it and the hooks to hold it. I also removed that. Perfect size. But it's too flimsy on its own, and it won't be able to hold anything inside if you decided to put anything inside the lantern. So what I did was I glued the chalkboard to the back part of the frame. Then what I did was I just put hot glue all over, like around it, just to secure it, make sure it doesn't fall. Then I noticed it was peeking out a little bit, so then I just cut it. Then I just glued it onto the lantern, making the bottom. Now we're gonna make the top of the lantern, and for that we're gonna take the two 4x6 picture frames. Again, same thing, take everything out from the inside. For this we're gonna wiggle it to separate them. Same thing with this one, wiggle it a little and just take them apart. We don't need all 8 sides. You just need the 4 longest sides in order to make the top. Now for this part, you're gonna glue 2 together, kind of making a triangle. Make sure to hold on to them till they're dry, not like I just did. After you glue them together, you just glue them on top of the lantern. And you repeat the steps with every corner. And there's the lantern part of the project. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy. You can move it around, you can pick it up from the top and it's not breaking. Now this part I did it off camera, but you just take either the rolling pins or the plunger sticks, whatever you decide to use, you just paint them. Or you really don't even have to paint them because you're going to be decorating the poles anyways. But you just glue 2 together, again with hot glue. And these felt sticker things I got also from Dollar Tree. I'm gluing it on the bottom of the stick just to give it a flat surface for when we stick it onto the other chalkboard, which is the base of the post, just so it can be leveled out. So here I'm taking the hot glue, putting more on the felt tip, the bottom of the pole, and just sticking it down. Make sure to go around the pole with glue also. Once you've secured the bottom, then you just glue the top of the lantern onto the pole. And this is the end result. I decided to use some silver tinsel to wrap around the pole. I used fake snow, 2 tree ornaments, and 2 tea lights. I hope you enjoyed.